The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and everyone. I hope that everyone is having the best of holidays. Alright? Now, there's reports out there that shots had been fired at a bike show. Some persons would call it a motorcycle show, and this said to have happened at the place that is known as Rockfort, that is in Kingston of the country, Jamaica. Now, this said to have happened on Friday, the 27th of December 2019 at sometime after 2 a.m. in the morning. Alright? Now, viewers and subscribers, it is said that 4 persons had been shot and injured during the exchange of gunfires between rival gangs. And based on what had happened, where shots had been fired at the event, it is said that it was like a gun battle between rival gangs. Now, I do not have the full information about the injuries of the persons, nor do I have any confirmation of anyone that had died due to the exchange of gunfire between rival gangs at the event. However, please bear in mind that there might be more information about this incident that had happened. However, there is a video clip that is circulating on social media, a very short video clip, and this video clip shows of a little of what had happened during the exchange of gunfires that has been said to have happened between gangs at the event. Alright? Now, viewers and subscribers, as I'm about to show you this video, I have to warn you that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Observe. Alright viewers and subscribers, there you have it. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm there to keep you up to date and post it, make you know what I want, and you can let me know what you think about something like this that had happened. Alright, so until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.